Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. So on July 22nd, Samsung is going to conduct the unpacked event. In this event, they are going to release Z Flip 8, Z Fold 8, and Z Fold 8 Wide. In this video, we will discuss this Z Fold 8 Wide. So this mobile comes with two displays. One is the unfolded version, that is a wide display, 7.6 inches of dynamic AMOLED LTPO 2X display, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and it supports HDR10 plus content, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate display. When we talk about this mobile's other display, that this mobile comes with a 5.7 inches of a smaller form factor display, and it is also a 120Hz refresh rate dynamic AMOLED 2X LTPO display, supports 120Hz refresh rate, and protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 2. When we talk about the processor, this mobile is going to come to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Even though the Z Flip 8 and Z Fold 8 are coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, this one is coming with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, which is a 3nm based 5G octa-core gaming processor. And this mobile is also going to come with the cameras. When we talk about the cameras, this mobile is going to come with a triple cameras at the rear side, mostly two cameras at the rear side, 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and also a 10 megapixels of ultra wide angle 2x telephoto camera. For the front, this mobile comes with a 10 and 10 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. One is with the wide display and one is with the shorter display. To power up this mobile is going to come with a 4800 mAh of battery, which supports 45 watts of fast charge through wire and 25 watts of reverse wireless charge and 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. So this mobile is going to comes with a metal body and front and back glasses, as we all know that. And when we talk about other features, like this mobile comes with a LPDDR5X LPDDR5 RAM Type 7 UFS 4.0 storage capacity, so we can expect a great performance from this mobile as well. When we talk about this mobile's variants, this mobile is going to come in mostly two variants: 12GB 256 and 12GB 512GB internal storage variants. I have already told the variants type. So this mobile is going to come with the Android version 16 out of the box with the still One UI 8.5 only, because 9 is about to release. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like the form factor, this mobile is going to be a very thin form factor when it is in unfolded situation. And when this mobile is also doesn't comes with any 3.5mm jack, it comes with the stereo speakers like the other mobiles, and also this mobile comes with a Bluetooth 5. And when we talk about the connectivity, this mobile comes with a Bluetooth 6.0 and Wi-Fi 7 tri-band support, NFC, and other features included in the mobile. When we talk about these mobiles, the durability, this mobile comes with a IP54 water and dust resistant certification. It's not like IP68 or 69, just a little bit of splashes of water and dust it can survive. When we talk about these mobiles, the other features, like this mobile comes with a box content. When we talk about the box content, this mobile comes with just Type-C cable and SIM ejected tool. That's it. No case, no nothing included in the box of the mobile, even though you are paying a huge amount for this mobile, which I'm going to tell you in a minute. So these are all about the major important features of this mobile. Okay. When we talk about this mobile's security features, like this mobile comes with a knock security provided with the Samsung, which gets per month updates as well. But this mobile comes with a sun mounted fingerprint scanner instead of the in-display fingerprint scanner, just because the complications. And this mobile is going to comes with a price tag that is 1,89,900 rupees for the base variant. Obviously 1,90,000 rupees. I don't know who's gonna buy this mobile for that amount of price range. So we have to wait and see until the mobile releases whether this mobile is going to release with that price tag or any kind of less than that. So these are all about the features of this mobile. This mobile is going to comes in different variants, different colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below with the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8 videos, which I have the links in the description box down below. And also, if you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.